Please do not take my house.
How's it going?
Great.
Okay.
I'm
I'm
in the
going on the
camera.
road.
Are you going on the road? So which side I must look? I must look so. Oh, I'm in the
Looking
camera
good.
now.
This is
Yeah.
the right.
Talk up to me nice.
Alright, so going on the road. I'll see you later, mom.
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you, my baby.
Yo! I'm going on the road. Later, bro. Why pre why chop wall going? It's your boy Sing Zima back again with another banger video, and as you can see by the title, today I'm getting my ears pierced. Yeah, I haven't told anybody I'm getting my ears pierced yet, so I'm just going to get it pierced. I videoed my mom before, like I didn't tell her what I was doing. I just said y'all going on the road, so I'ma get it done for y'all and we're going to see her reaction. But don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you laugh at any point in time during this video, share with a friend. Alright guys, so we're here at Brit Ink Tattoos, right? This is where we're going to get it done, and piercings. Let me actually, right, on Cargill Avenue. She has a deal going on right now for like $1,000 I think, so you can just walk in and get piercings, so we shall see how it goes. Take a good last look at my fat juicy earlobes. Right. Alright guys, so there are people up there right now because they have a special going on, as I said before, so I'm just going to wait in the whip for a bit, and I'm going to look out for 1 or 2 people that were in there a while ago, and as soon as they walk out, I walk in, get it done. We're outside, we're not going in. Anyways guys, somebody want to give me some earrings after the 2 months healing process. If anybody wants to sponsor me real diamond earrings, hit me up. If you don't get it, I'll get it, but still get it for me as a gift. I'd really appreciate it. I'm not planning to wear any fake jewelry. That's not what we do on the Sing Zima channel. I'm not feeling nervous or anything, like it's vibes. I've been wanting to get my ears pierced, but I was waiting to get the earrings first, but then I was like, yo, I have to wait for it to heal before, so why not just do it, then it heals, then I get the earrings. I'll catch you back when I see somebody walking past or whatever, so I know that the place kind of empty, you know, a little bit. Do you guys have any piercings? Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite one. I know some of you guys have some wild piercings, like I say some people with back dimple piercings and lip and, but yeah guys, piercings on the way. We going up. I hope my mom doesn't hate me. I hope she don't kill me. My grandma didn't want me to pierce my ears. I didn't tell her either, so she's going to see this. Grandma, I love you, but I had to get it done. My grandmother probably free me, so I might vlog and video call her to catch her reaction, to see what she says on my aunts as well, because you know those are the ladies I always talk about, and my brother. And so we'll get everybody's reaction and see what happens. But we need to wait for people to get their stuff done and come out to this place so we can go, right? Right. Okay guys, we're here. Can I get your name?
My name is Eric. Hi.
Eric.
Eric, E-R-I-C.
Alright, so Eric will be busting on my ears today.
Hi
right,
guys.
as you can see.
Don't touch. Let me clean it off.
John will charge you.
No touch. Alright, so turn your head a little bit this side so that they can see
Here you
what's
go.
up.
You want me to?
Just put in the
hold
cord
on.
behind
Jano
his ears to receive the needle.
Jano that.
Relax, deep breath.
That was too fast.
I'll do the other one so you guys can get.
How was it?
You don't feel anything.
They didn't give me countdown.
What is
Because there's nothing to count
There's
down.
nothing to count down for, just get it done and out of the way. Done?
Your presses your lobes. Nice and quick, nice and easy.
Wait, I want to get a nice one.
Alright, ready?
Wait.
Is my mom going to kill me for me?
Take the mirror off and have a look.
It's your boy.
You guys believe it?
It's not bad. It look decent.
Yes.
Oh, right.
Sing bang.
No sleeping on either side. So you're sleeping on your back or on your face now. You can't wash your hair for a week and you cannot go into chlorinated water.
Oh, hold on.
Just a week. You can't wash your hair for a week. I know people say, oh, I'll just hold my head back and wash it. You know you're not. the water is going to run down into the hole somehow, and there's dirt and oil and build up in your hair. It's gonna go down into the piercing, and your piercings are cut. They're a fresh wound that you're trying to heal with something in it on purpose. So you're trying not to irritate that at all. So just don't wash the hair for a week. Give the hole a little bit of time.
He's very high maintenance. So.
Yeah.
Him look high maintenance. No hair washing.
My ears feel tingled. I'm not touching. I must tell you not to try. Why are you so close to my face? It looks so weird. Alright guys, as you can see, I got it done. It's your boy Singh Zima out here in the cut. And now I'm going to head home and see my mother's reaction. I'm going to the studio to record my song because I'm an artist now, so I have to represent. You see me? So I might vlog at the studio, I might not vlog at the studio. We'll find out. You'll see the next clip. Big up on yourself, love y'all. Again, like, comment, share, subscribe right now. Let's see what happens. Day in the life of Singh Zima. Alright guys, so we're here at the studio. Kanye, Perry out here. Right. Oh, I got my ears pierced, you saw?
Right.
Right. Dumb chop, we're outside.
Yeah.
Right.
Chop.
Right. So you guys, we're going to see if we can re-record the Singh Zima song.
We or you?
Me, we, whatever for help me, what do you mean? It's the quietness for me.
Right. Perfect. Yeah, I can't get over the camera with it. Like, you have to do that every day?
Not every day. I never feel. I was I got my hair pierced. I didn't tell mommy. So I gotta just like go home and see how she react to them. Nobody know.
For YouTube?
No, I wanted to do it, but
What the report for YouTube?
right.
Talk to the people. So, Mr. Zima here is trying to get charged up as if he's a real artist. Like, this is his second time in the studio, and he's
Third.
third.
You have to
Wow.
be charged up all the time.
Oh, so he's a professional at this point.
This is my third time, so I'm getting used to it. I know, say yo, like you can't come to the studio and start getting charged. You have to come to the studio.
This is your third time.
Right. See it now.
Do you want me to record the song for you? Because, I mean,
What do you mean?
I know the song, so it's like, you know, carousel.
Yo, we get to recording, I guess, and we'll catch you guys whenever. Vibes.
So, the artist is a little bit nervous. You know, even though nobody's gonna be in here.
It doesn't
So-
matter. The delay is messing me up.
Oh, he's using artist words. Yeah, terms, delays, you know.
Look, brother, you don't know what the delay is?
I know what a delay
Yeah,
is.
so it's alright. So
Do
when
you
I
wanna
see-
add some reverb to that? Do you know what that is, Mr. Artist? Seen as, you know, you're so professional, you know.
No, it's just the my ears. trying to
Oh
charge.
wow, the headphones, you know, it's like the demands of the artist.
Yo.
Right. How are you feeling?
I'm great, bro. This is vibe. Jump in our bed while me count up the
Where
bricks
was the
9.
energy when you were recording?
Extended clip. Ready again. Listen, I'm an artist, but I need to get in my artist mode. You see me?
Oh, artist.
Artist mode.
Artist mode, wow. So multifaceted. So
Yeah, right. I was in
multi-layered.
YouTube mode earlier. Now we're in
Right.
Singh Zima, the artist.
Singh Zima.
Alright guys, this is what I have so far. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below.
This is dropping, is this dropping after the video? Before the video? I mean, before the official song?
Yeah, but this is just them. We're vibing. They're not getting the whole thing. On Netflix, if me ever lonely, me call my side chick.
She jump in a bed while me count up the bricks 9x matic.
Extended. Y'all have heard this
Pull up
before.
in a day. Brand new bimmer, new spaceship, we a cruise round.
Harry, the new
Shoot
spaceship.
up a party, get this flicker.
In a curfew, we a chopping line. Morning, evening, never watch it time.
Ready? Why pre, why chop?
There we dream the road manager. We're working on this song, but we have to finish it tomorrow. It don't make no sense right now. So.
Ready?
In a curfew.
Studio.
In a curfew.
Alright guys, so I'm home now. So let's see Mommy's reaction. Mommy? Where you gone? Can you come here?
What's that one?
What's different?
Different?
Uh-huh.
What different about you or the camera?
Me.
What different about you? Oh, you pierce your ears. How much are them pierce? Oh, it's nice. I like it. So why did you have to hide and do it and do it?
What do you mean?
Oh, it look nice. I like it. Wicked. It's a cute knobs for me. It's not your favorite artist. Are you putting me on that YouTube thing? Oh, because I'm looking at you and I'm like, what's different about you? I want it to get shorter. It look a little bit shorter or something. In piercing, it's a piercing of the ears. Oh, but I like it though. It look nice. You actually pierce both of them.
Why did you next one to the first one?
But it kind of hard for me to realize, you know, because it's just a little, yeah, not too overdone.
I got
so why these black things on your thing?
What? Which black thing?
Right here and here. What is this?
I don't know. Probably
Like
just.
it was into dust or something.
Oh, I was at the studio.
So did you cry?
No. I vlogged everything. I vlogged the whole process.
Why it never hurt you?
Huh?
Okay, don't do the tattoo though. Yeah, don't do no tattoo. Yeah, everybody have tattoo, and if you want to be different, just have nice flawless skin like man. Look on nice clean skin. Look on girl skin. Yeah, no tattoo. Yeah, don't be regular. But the tattoo part stay.
For now.
Give it about
Until further notice.
Give it about 5 years.
5.
Yeah. Yeah, give the tattoo something about 5 years.
So you're not upset?
Oh, it's not my ears. Anything you want to do with it now. You're 20. Oh, you never quite reached 21, but it's fine. I like it. It's not ghetto.
It fit. It worked.
You know. I am on a gold chain and you have an artist look. Wow, so you woke me up for this. Seriously, I was just trying to clear my mind and my brain and declutter and relax, nice, quiet, and and you call me.
Alright guys, I'm gonna get my grandma's reaction. I'm going to video call her and see if she even answers first of all. What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
You alright?
Yeah, you okay?
I was sleeping.
Okay, you notice anything different?
You pluck your ear?
No?
What's ear? You trim your piercing ears?
Yeah.
Oh. One?
No, the two of them.
Both? You ready? Oh. You sure?
What do you mean if I sure? Yeah, them actually pierced. It's not no magnetic piercings or not actually piercings.
Okay, yeah, I trust you.
Okay.
We'll just have to work with it, cause you have it already. You have to get a pair of diamond.
Yeah, that's what I was telling them. You see them now and I'm not gonna wear anything that's fake.
The smallest one, just careful.
Okay, Gamma. Love you.
Yeah. Tell him don't come on with anything else again and do it.
I tell him I will live with that, but no tattoo right now.
Tell him, say, don't do nothing more surprise again, please.
Yes.
Love you guys.
Love you, Grandma.
Love you. Bye.
Love you too.
Let me call Auntie because Auntie was calling me back. Me? Why is that?
Crazy.
Yo, what going?
What?
Why pre?
That's right.
You see nothing different?
You're here?
No, other than my hair?
You're here?
Other than my...
Yeah. Oh, you're piercing ears?
Yeah.
You never did All this time? First of all, is this being recorded?
Yeah, but not your face, just me.
To frig. Oh, the earrings look nice though. Good. When they got it today?
Yeah, today. I didn't tell mommy or grandma or anybody. I just went and did it. And then came
No
back.
man, you're good man. You're also 21 this year?
Yeah.
It's the norm. Just don't get any lip ring like a
No.
like as long as you don't go do that, or it's pretty normal. That's good.
Yeah.
I like it. I didn't notice it though because it's just small.
Yeah, it's really small.
That's the piercing earring they
Yeah,
use.
no-
The mommy don't see it yet.
She's filming me right now.
Oh, is she filming? What's that something that normal again?
Listen, he did it to me already and filmed me and I didn't know, okay?
Hello.
Hi,
Hi,
Haley.
Haley. Hey, cutie pie.
Are you doing a video?
Yes.
Show Haley face. Get out the camera, Auntie Khadija. Get out the camera. Let us see Haley face.
Hey, Haley. What do you want to say to YouTube?
Darkness.
Haley, what do you want?
She gonna turn. I don't blame her. Yeah.
Oh, can I send you a camera?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Haley, what's up?
My name is Haley, and I'm their cousin. Like and subscribe, hit the comment little button.
Comment down below.
It's a script for me.
Oh
my gosh.
Let's just hit the comment down below. John, it's a good look. I like it.
Thank you. I
The hair
appreciate
though,
it.
that's a different look for you too.
It is. From the hair to everything. The whole everything is different, right?
Yeah, you're really growing up. Even the facial features, jeez, can't believe it.
Yep.
I'm not watching a movie.
Which movie are you watching, Haley?
A squirrel one.
A squirrel one?
Yeah, watch a movie eating Popeyes.
Alright, Auntie, we'll link you later.
Alright.
Love you.
When is this gonna be posted?
Probably a week from now. Or
Edit
more.
my face out.
Yes,
Edit out me.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Don't put this. Just kind of. If I see my face on YouTube, I'm gonna flip.
You gonna pass out?
I'm gonna pass out. I'm gonna hide under a freaking rock. Don't put my face.
Alright,
See,
Auntie.
I'm on no makeup, like I'm not even.
Auntie, you're good man, you're cute man, you're outside, you're good. Trust me.
No, that means I'm gonna get pussy.
Later, Auntie, love you.
This video, this vlog is getting longer and longer, and I think I'm gonna be in it. So, talk to the head.
Alright guys, so that's the reaction from the ladies of my life, right?
No, not to that direction.
Oh, yeah.
But trust me, phone the dead. But try.
I'm going to try and catch my pop's reaction, but I don't know if I'm going to get to catch it. Yo, you see anything different about me?
What's wrong with your shirt?
Nothing wrong with my shirt. Oh, let me. Nothing else?
There is something wrong with your shirt.
What? Alright, no, about me.
No.
My face?
No.
My ears?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Look.
Don't touch it. Don't. Hey, wait.
Why?
You like it?
Yeah.
It look neat. It look nice.
Yes.
You don't care?
No. But it does look cool though.
It looks cool, right?
What kind of hair is that?
No, go on.
It's a fork for me.
Is the what? Bring it. Don't give it to your wife. Bring it. the last time when I eat up all of the pork and don't give me any, so bring it.
Me, without trusting with pork, you know.
What do you mean?
Me, I have to make sure it's my belly full first.
Before
Me give you.
Yes,
We can use iris. And
Okay.
you just clean it. You just clean it up. We're watching that get thing here. Come on, look at this one. Don't say anything different. One more look on it.
Rum gone.
Nice.
You want to see something different? Huh? You want to see something different?
Pearson.
Here's some ears. Is your child? What do you think about it? What do you think about it? Then can't you allowed to do that? Why? What? You look at me like I can no.
He has no interest. He has no.
You say I'm a big man.
Imagine. Fill up camera.
What do you say, Mike? You said from him got high school in Pearson. So what did your parents say? You're late.
Apparently.
You're late to the ears piercing.
Apparently. I mean, channel. And this is why me and Dad don't really do videos. The man is more nonchalant than me because
It's your boy Singh Zima back with.
you're not back. We're leaving.
Oh, we're back.
now.
We're leaving. Oh, you leave it again? Oh, you
Don't
leave
forget
it
to like.
again? Okay, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Right.
We will be back with another. Almost stay tuned.
It doesn't matter. Just end it out and cover the camera when you finish.
And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. It's a girl. Hey. I don't know, I can't help myself. I hate this film because I'm gonna act crazy.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe,
Yeah.
and we'll see you.
We will
next
see you in the
time.
next banger video, okay?
Cover the camera for me.
Don't post it unless me look cute.
In a curfew, on Netflix. If me ever lonely, me call me side chick. She jump in a bed while me count up the bricks. 9x matic, extended clip. Pull up in a D, brand new Beamer. Dog them the ramp, to squeeze up the trigger. You don't know, we are roll with the team. Girl them a say, whoever dress need. From Ferragamo to the Gucci. She love you, but she wanna roll with a G.